Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Strasburg Crossroads to Manchester, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Strasburg to Crossroads to Manchester, moving east at 20 miles per
indicated
hour.
rotation within these severe thunderstorms.
Miles per hour wind gusts.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during
What are you relaying?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, northern Prince George's County in central Maryland, southeastern Arlington County in northern Virginia, eastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the eastern city of Alexandria in Maryland. At 6:31 p.m.
Oh, come on. Got FMs to go through.
Severe thunderstorms. Move indoors immediately. You are close enough to be struck by
Entries. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Millersville, Willow Street, Red Lion, Paradise, Shrewsbury, Strasburg, Quarryville, Stuart, Arlington, Strasburg, Quarryville, Stewartstown, Glen Rock, Gap, and Delta. Radar has indicated rotation within these severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is severe thunderstorms. This includes Interstate 83 from mile markers 0 to 9. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows.
Just to fall. This could damage home vehicles. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations infected. Arlington, Alexandria, College is a statement from the National Weather Service. Dalesville, Forestville, Huntington, Largo, Coral Hills, Bladensburg, National Harbor, University of Maryland, National Park, FedEx Field, Howard University, Gallaudet University, Fort Totten, and Reagan National Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.